Hi, my name's Steve McGue. I'm the Director of Research and Development for Women and Couples Wellness, and I wanted to leave a quick note for Stan Eiler. I've spoken with him several times, having him review some of the things we do, and I've been really impressed. He has a solid background in intellectual property, manufacturing, and marketing, and he listened to our strategies, and he gave some insights that frankly were very creative, and I'm impressed with. So if you are a startup wanting to see if your information is patentable, or if you're wanting to file or manufacture or market small or large type operations, Stan is a guy you should really talk to. So again, I can't speak highly enough about him. He's a fantastic guy, and he knows what he's talking about. So if you have any questions in that area, I definitely recommend you give him a call.